This is not a video about climate change. This is a video about surviving climate change. In Telangana, Karunakar Reddy has cultivated foxtail millet for the first time in his life at the age of 34. Why?
నాకు 10 ఎకరాల భూమి ఉన్నది. అందులో భూమి అంతా వేస్తుకుంటుంది. దానికి వాటర్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నది. వాటర్ లేక పంట దిగుబడి సరిపోని వస్తలేదు.
2,000 kilometers north of Telangana, in Punjab, farmers are concerned too.
ਇਹ ਸੀ ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ 35 ਕੁ ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਲੈਵਲ 25-30 ਫੁੱਟ ਦੇ ਸੀ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਜੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਲੈਵਲ ਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਲਾਈਏ ਤੇ 125-150 ਫੁੱਟ ਤੇ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ। ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਫਰਕ ਪਿਆ।
ਵਾਤਾਵਰਨ ਦੇ ਬਦਲਾਅ ਆ ਗਏ, ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਵੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਲੈਵਲ ਥੱਲੇ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ, ਨੀਚੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ।
Climate change is real for all these people.
Water is an important link to the life, and then whatever happens to water is a result of what the weather behaves like. Whatever happens in the field, which is an agriculture thing, it happens day to day in a rainy season. So we need to look at a distribution of rainfall. At the same time, how much is the crop water demand, which is dictated by the temperature, everyday temperature, or looking at diurnal, that is difference between the maximum and minimum temperature. All this dictate how much water is needed both by plants and the animals or the livestock.
Any change in weather patterns affect agriculture as a whole, especially for small and marginal farmers. More than 50% of Indian workforce depend on agriculture, making 67% of population living in rural India highly vulnerable to climate change. That's just short of 1 billion people. When climate change impacts daily livelihoods, people will have to rely upon adaptation, change ways for a new reality.
I think the state action plan on climate change, which is under revision, will give us further ideas as how departments can do more adaptation activities within their ongoing programs, and maybe posing new schemes, maybe creating new projects where adaptation measures can be taken. We have been implementing adaptation projects. We have been trying and creating models how integration can be done in the ongoing projects, where the activities of adaptation can be integrated in the ongoing programs. In that case, we don't need separate fund everywhere. So that advocacy is going on with the department. That component is being revised in the state action plan on climate change.
We should turn all our development projects future-proof, use existing funds and accelerate adaptation. But for that, we need to know our future. An exercise was undertaken to understand what the future looks like in 4 states. The data was based on an analysis of different districts and their vulnerability in the future. A present-day baseline identified vulnerable districts in each state and created a mid-century projection under a low-emission scenario. It all starts with water availability, the make or break element for rural India, which makes water management a crucial adaptation measure for agriculture. We need to conserve, use water efficiently, maybe change seeds or crops that need less water. But the most important is to harvest as much water as possible locally to use later during extended dry days as projected by science. This is Chinna Lakshmapur village in Yadadri Bhavnagiri district of Telangana. These villagers are working in a rocky landscape on a 45°C summer day. They are making a series of dugout ponds almost a kilometer long and a rock dam. In faraway Himachal Pradesh, in Bilaspur, in the foothills of the Himalaya, rainfall pattern is changing too. Farmers are being suggested to diversify crops instead of banking on one crop.
7 बीघे हमारी ज़मीन है। इसमें गर्मियों में मक्की की फसल होती है और सर्दियों में अभी गेहूं बीज रखी है, और ये सामने सरसों का साग, अदरक भी लगाया गया है। यहाँ पालक की खेती है, लहसुन भी खेती कर रखी है, हरे मटर लगा रखे हैं, मूली है, सलगम है, हरी मिर्ची है, बैंगन है।
If the farmer does not have enough land and depends on cash crops, he can move to a poly house as promoted by government through subsidy and diversify in a controlled manner.
ओपन कल्टीवेशन में इतनी क्रॉप नहीं आती है। ये इसलिए लगाई गई है कि पानी का जो खर्चा है बहुत कम होगा इससे। मतलब जैसे बाहर हमारा 5,000 लगता है तो यहाँ हमारा उसी एरिया में 2,000 से काम चल पड़ेगा। एक साल में ये करीब को 2 लाख रुपए का प्रॉफिट हो जाता है इसमें।
Somewhere you need innovative technology and change in farming practices too.
कुछ सालों से जो यूनिवर्सिटी ने उन्हें एक टेक्निक दी है दैट इज़ डायरेक्ट सीडेड राइस। उसमें उनको पडल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, नर्सरी सोइंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ट्रांसप्लांट नहीं करना पड़ता है। तो फार्मर जो है वो डायरेक्ट सीड जो करके उसकी सोइंग कर सकता है। उसका वाटर सेविंग भी हो रहा है, लाइक नियर 15 to 20% वाटर इज सेविंग ड्यू टू दिस टेक्निक।
In places with hardly any access to water, like Mehboob Nagar in Telangana, the program is helping the small and marginal farmers move to a less water-consuming cash crop of groundnut.
90% అంటే గ్రౌండ్నట్ పెరిగింది సార్. ప్యాడీ యాక్చువల్గా రావడం
5 years నుంచి కూడా ఇక్కడ
But just growing cash crop is not enough, especially if you're a newcomer in the market. Hence, a concrete plan is in place for the new groundnut producers to meet big buyers in Hyderabad.
This particular initiative will definitely help in terms of a better price realization. Earlier they don't have that. They depend only on some agents or some middleman, and they also don't know how to take their product to the right market.
Look closely, and you will see that this is not run-of-the-mill development work. The groundnut promotion activity has agriculture, irrigation, livelihood, marketing built into it because adaptation is a cross-sectoral endeavour. But none of this works without the community and local government participating in the process. People know best about their situation and solutions made of years of traditional knowledge.
लोगों ने अपनी ज़रूरत अनुसार ग्राम सभा में शेल्फ डलवाया, विभिन्न काम डलवाए और उसमें वाटर कंजर्वेशन पर विशेष फोकस दिया गया। वाटर कंजर्वेशन में बॉडियों की रिपेयर पे बल दिया गया, जल संग्रहण टैंकों पर जोर दिया गया, चेक डैम बनाने के लिए लोगों को जागरूक किया गया।
हमारे यहाँ पर इको विलेज के प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं हिमाचल गवर्नमेंट के, ऐसे विलेजेस जो उन्होंने एक्चुअली प्रॉपर मैपिंग करके वो विलेजेस निकाले हैं जहाँ पर जल्दी ही टाइम में पानी के ज़्यादा इश्यूज आने लगे। हर जगह की मैपिंग करी पंचायत में, कहाँ पर पानी ज़्यादा है, कहाँ पर अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है। फिर इसमें जैसे प्लांटेशन ड्राइव्स हैं, वो चीज़ें होंगी। खैर पहले भी होती थी बट हमें उसको युद्ध स्तर पे करना पड़ेगा। फ्यूचर तो यही है कि हमें नॉर्मल जो जॉब है हमारी उससे आगे बढ़कर हमें काम करना चाहिए।
That's the right spirit. Climate change is not necessarily only an environmental problem.
How do you see the elephant as a whole? For example, if we look at agriculture, it is not only looking at the current practices, but it is also looking at the actions which are taken by other departments. For example, there is a irrigation and public health, which does all the irrigation project for the department. So how do we, how do we coordinate the actions of different departments so that they are on the same platform?
That's why this program engaged with larger institutional activities as well. Apart from training district, state, and central government officials, the program has established a climate studio in association with Anna University in Chennai. The lab will be able to look at future details of climate change in India at district level. Most importantly, to multiply public knowledge, there is a strong focus on media. Within the community managed media and mainstream media too.
Basically, I'm going to talk about climate change, how it is going to impact two sectors.
A workshop was conducted to sensitize journalists reporting on climate change and help tell stories that really matter. Not all stories about climate change are bad. Science-based adaptation is changing the narrative. Karunakar is about to harvest benefits of adaptation. Tirupati has already done it.
అయినా మాకు బాగా అనిపించింది. కమ్సకము ఒక ఎకరానికైనా 7.5 క్వింటాల వరకు వెళ్ళింది. రేటు కూడా బాగుంటుంది. ఒక క్వింటల్కు దాదాపు 15,000 నుండి 20,000 వరకు క్వింటల్కు ఒక క్వింటల్కు ఉంటుంది.
It is possible to survive climate change.